Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to set a password on your AirPlay receiver. So it is very easy and simple to do. So without wasting any time, let's get started by going to the settings app. Here in the settings app you need to scroll down and then tap on the general section. Here in the general section you need to scroll down again and you can see AirPlay and continuity. Simply tap on it. Here you can see the AirPlay receiver. If you have it turned on, you will see the required password, but if you have it turned off, you won't be able to see the password. So let's turn it on and then tap on the required password, and here you need to enter new AirPlay password. You can just simply tap hi 123 and that's it. That's your AirPlay password. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video.